Hey guys, I'm Swaraj Rautrai. This is my first YouTube video, and my channel name is Tech SDC in English. And today I am unboxing a box that is the basic electronics kit box. So let's do the unboxing. This box is look like this. The kits is coming with the plastics box. The code is KT580. Then first it is coming with the in this box. This is the DVD, the tutorial DVD. In this kit, here is the 10 project kit, and all project details is in this DVD. And this is the breadboard. The code name is MB102. This is the look like the breadboard. Then this is the 9-volt HW battery with the adapter. Then it is the 22 kilo ohm resistor, and it is 10 piece 560 ohm resistor, and this is 10 piece 470 kilo ohm का resistor, and this is 5 piece 220 ohm resistor, and this is 33 kilo ohm resistor. This is 0.1 μF ceramic capacitor. This is 100 μF का ceramic capacitor. This is 47 μF का electrolyte capacitor, 2 piece. This is 2.2 kilo resistor, 5 piece. This is the push button, and this is 5k ohm trim port. This potentiometer. This comes with 2. Then this is the 5 piece 1 mm resistor. This is 5 piece 1 kilo ohm resistor. This is the 2 meter single stand wire. 39 kilo ohm resistor. This is 10 piece LED. This is the buzzer. This is 330 ohm resistor, and this is CD4017 IC. This is BC547 transistor, 10 piece, and this is 100 ohm resistor, 5 piece. This is IC555 timer. This is 2 piece, and this is 47 μF electrolyte capacitor, 2 piece. This is 10 kilo ohm का resistor, 5 piece है. This is 40 piece male to male jumper wire, and last and this is the tester that is controlling the potentiometer, and last one is 2 piece 0.01 mu wave variable capacitor. So that is the total 30 piece in the box. Hope you enjoying the video. Let's do the like, share and subscribe. Then click the bell icon button and turn on all. After subscription, when I am uploading all the video, then you can get the notification. And in this channel I am uploading many types of basic electronics project. After that, many type of 8051 using main type 8051, then Arduino, Raspberry Pi, Zigbee and many more type of robotics project. So good night.